Welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where we will learn different functions and the formulas. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use AVERAGEIF function. AVERAGEIF function calculates the average of a given range of cells by a specific criteria. Calculates the average of a given range of cells by a specific criteria or condition. For example, I have the column for the regions, I have the column for the cells, also I have a column for the criteria. So I want to find the average of cells in this range, which is specifically to the DOM. By do so, start with equal sign, then AVERAGEIF, come to the range, the first range, comma. In this range, I wanted to find specifically the DOM region. So, comma, then I come to the average. In this Dodoma, I will find only, or I will calculate the average specifically to Dodoma. So this is the second range. After that, close by $, the range. Yes, as you can see now, you can drag to others. So this means that this formula means calculates the cells, calculates the average of cells of Dodoma only, of Dodoma. For example, Dodoma, we have Dodoma, the first one Dodoma, the second one also this one Dodoma. So the first, the formula adds, take this one, add to this one will be 1,200. This one 2,200. Then divide by 3. That's why it works. And the answer is this one. When you go to Singida, we have the first one Singida, the second one Singida. So when you add up this one Singida and this one will be 2,400, and when we divide by 2 it will be 1,200, which is this one, the answer. So this is the average of cells in Singida only. Also Mbeya, I have this one, also I have this. So after sum up between this one and this one, also divided by 2, the answer is this. So this is how AVERAGEIF works. So it means you find or you calculate the average in a range by a specific condition or criteria. By a specific condition or criteria. Let's say I have maybe this one. This one, there is no region which is the Mara in this region, so that's why you can not get this one. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.